We are here today, CMA CGM, Civil Logistics and HEC, to have a view of the students that have presented in a kind of contest ideas and projects for sustainability and logistics for Paris 24 Olympic and Paralympic Games.
Well, I think the collaboration between HEC and CMA CGM is crucially important because CMA CGM is about the international shipping business. And that is really a business that encapsulates all the challenges that we are trying to tackle at the Master SASSI, Sustainability and Social Innovation.
This morning it was pretty intense, but I think we have a pretty solid idea now, and we're looking forward to presenting it to the jury.
So our idea is to incorporate a system which is basically based on terracotta pipes that cools down naturally through airflows.
So let us present you Ring, the one ring to rule all our local suppliers and transports. So how does the solution work?
Our project is an app to create route optimization strategies for trucks during the Olympic Games.
For me today was very enlightening. I'm very surprised about the quality of the projects that I have seen. It's so good to see young people with fresh and new ideas that we can really implement on the logistic world.
So the winner is...
Okay, Team 13!
It was amazing.
What we basically did is that we want to create a pool of raw materials, and from this pool of raw materials we want to create furniture.
At CMA CGM we are committed to reach net zero 2050. It's a long journey with huge challenges. We will need innovation, we will need disruptive solutions, and I think the young generation and the HEC students can bring that.